WEEZY, the Sexy Grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today with something really special. Going to be doing a new review. However, sis, it is not on a wig and it is not on no makeup. The review that I'm going to be bringing you today is actually something that has been near and dear to my heart. I wear them all the time. I never leave home without one. And what I'm talking about is the MILANO Collection new sis. So this is a new lace Wigrip comfort band, and it's made specifically for lace frontals, and lace parting units. So let me just tell you what they say on here, give you the deets. It says that it secures lace wigs in place. It eliminates adhesive and fasteners. It protects edges. It eliminates headaches and balding, seamless hairline and part, and adjustable one-size-fits-all strap. And it does, guys, only come in 2 colors, where the original Wigrip does come in 3 different colors. So the 2 colors that the new lace Wigrip comes in is nude and brown. The original lace, the original Wigrip, you can get in nude, brown, and black. But the one that I have today is the nude. And as you can see, those are the 2 colors. Now, I did order the brown, but I haven't gotten it yet. It takes a little bit longer to get the brown. I did order these off of Amazon, just like I ordered the original Wigrips from Amazon. These are, I believe, $19.99, and they have now dropped the price of the original Wigrips to, I want to say, I thought I saw $14.99. It was either $14 or $15.99. It says on here how to wear it, that you align the lace part on your lace Wigrip. So wherever you're planning on putting the lace part for your wig, you're going to sit it right on top of the lace for the Wigrip. And before I get into all that, let me show you the dang on thing. Geez, sis. So this is what it looks like. This is, again, the color nude. It does have an adhesive strap on the back. And it has the lace in the middle. This is the part you're going to place wherever you plan on parting your unit, or wherever your unit is already parted with the lace. And then as you can see, right for your hairline here, it's got lace right here in the front that sits right in front of your hairline. So what that's supposed to do is make your wigs lay flatter on top of your Wigrip. Now you can stretch it down and you can kind of sit lace on lace, and it's going to lay flatter, if that makes sense. So let me kind of show you. I have currently on my head an original Wigrip. That's the original one, okay? And this one is in the color brown for the original, because as you can see, it kind of matches the color of my scalp. Okay, so before on these, see how it's kind of thick there because you don't have any lace, like this little band right here. So when you would lay your wigs, and you have to lay your wig kind of right in front of it, but it still causes like a little hump right there, if you can see that. But it's not really noticeable. I'm just kind of showing you kind of where they've made improvements per se. So let me brush these baby hairs out the way. Okay, so there's your Wigrip. See how it's kind of thick right there? So you can't sit this right on top of it because it's thick. You sit it right in front of it. And even with the original Wigrip, it secures your unit. See, it's not going anywhere. Pull it on this side, it ain't going anywhere. Somebody snatch you up by the back of your neck or the back of your head, your wig ain't going nowhere. I don't know why they would be doing that, sis. That's your business, not mine. I'm just saying. So the original wig grip works awesome. I love it. And if you haven't seen my review on it, it's actually my most popular video. It's gotten over 19,000 views. And it's an awesome tutorial on how to wear it. So I'll leave a link for it right here. I also, sis, have reviewed this is a Gripcap, and I've worn this one, so I just need to wash it. That's the nice thing about these. They are machine washable, the originals. Now on the new lace one, it's saying that you need to wash it by hand, and I'm sure it's because of the lace, okay? But this is what the Gripcap looks like, and it's basically I got hair in this thing, in the Velcro. It also has the Velcro, okay? It's basically a wig grip right around the front, around the parameter, and then it has a built-in cap. And I like wearing these in the winter time because it keeps my head warmer. And then I typically wear the regular Gripcap in the summer because then, you know, when you have the aerated wig caps, your hair can kind of breathe a little more. So that's the difference. I will leave a link to the Gripcap. This is my second most popular video, and it's gotten over 7,000 views. So I'll leave a link to this one also right up here. What I'm gonna do, let me take this wig off, and I'm gonna take my original wig grip off. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, and on the unit that I'm wearing, I'm gonna kind of have my part a little bit on the side, okay? So I'm just gonna put this like right in front of my hairline is where I'm gonna lay that lace, okay? And I'm putting that part kind of off to the side. Just gonna turn around in the back to show you. Don't come for me about my part, my nappy dugout, or my gray hairs back here, sis. You one day will be my age too. Okay, so what I normally do is just crisscross my little braids back here and tuck them under there. That's how you secure it, just with your Velcro here, okay? You can make it as look, you know, it's supposed to be one size fits all, so it shouldn't matter if you got a small head or a big head. So this is how I have it on. Now I'm gonna take my wig, and I'm going to sit it. Okay, see the lace on my wig front here? I'm going to sit it just past that lace. Let me get it secured in the back, and then I'll kind of zoom you in a little better. I never secure anything down with the combs on the side. I actually don't need to, because I always, and when I tell you always, sis, I always have on a wig grip or grip cap. That's just me. I like the double extra security of knowing that my cap isn't going anywhere, even when I lay my, you know, secure my hair down with the got to be glued. Okay, with that said, now what I will tell you guys, the first thing I'm seeing is I got the nude cap. I wanted to try them both, show you both of them. But I think the nude cap is definitely going to be too light for my hairline, for my scalp. This one is just too light for me. But that's what it's looking like in the parting space, okay? And, hang on, sis, let me dab my forehead. Your girl, look at that. Your girl having a hot flash.
Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, oh. Here comes the.
All right, I'm back. Some of y'all know about that. Okay, so I just put that unit. Can y'all even see that? That's nice how that lace just melts also. See that? Now the lace is, I guess it's a Swiss lace, but it's not like this is the lace that I cut out of this unit. They call it a dual lace. So it's kind of like a 2-layered. And I think that's to help it like last longer. So, but it's still pretty thin. I like how mesh it is, and you know, the nice color of it against my skin complexion, but it's just the grip cap, this portion, that's just too light. Now this part of it, guys, is made out of like velour, so it's kind of like the I don't know how to say it, like the hairs in this velour is what kind of grips your unit and keeps it from going anywhere, if that makes sense. So when you put your unit on this velour, it kind of sucks it up and it keeps it from going anywhere, okay? But anyway, back to this. So I'm gonna lay this just past, if you can see, because that melts so well, but just past that lace, with it still on top of it, okay? It does look, you know, it was just a little bit darker, so I think the brown's gonna work perfect for me when I get it. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the brown one takes longer to get, so I just haven't gotten it yet. As soon as I get it, I will make sure that I show it to you guys on whatever wig review that I'm doing once it arrives. So no worries, you will get to see it as well, okay? So I did not lay any, put any got to be glued on this unit, but this is on here, and I just wanted to show you that it's secure. So, you know, if you don't want to glue it down, you don't have to. But if you want it, you know, your edge is still, your wig's not going to go anywhere, but it's not going to stick your edges down, if that makes any sense. So if the wind blows and you don't glue the edges down, then sis, your business is going to be all out in the street. I don't know what to tell you. That's just what's going to happen. What I'm seeing is that this is so flat, I don't even need no got to be glued up here. Because I can just go ahead and, like, if I was going to do them baby hairs, just go ahead and slick them baby hairs down, and I don't even have to put no glue up under here. So now I should only have to lay down the sides. If, you know, you don't want to do that, you don't have to do that, you're still good. Put your hair in a ponytail, whatever. But like I said, the whole thing is, this thing, it still works awesome. It's not going anywhere. You have the flatness of the front. You have the ability to part it, and it just shows, you know, you'll be able to see your scalp through here as long as you get the grip cap that matches your scalp, either the nude or the blonde. I mean, the nude or the brown. I am actually loving this. I'm curious to see how long this one lasts. And what I'll do is I'll update you guys just to let you know, because my original wig grips and grip caps, they last forever. I mean, I just keep washing them over and over in the washing machine. I just throw it in there with my clothes and they come out, they bounce back like they're brand new. So I'm very interested to see if this one's going to bounce back like it's brand new when it's washed. So I will update you guys to let you know about that. But please remember, sis, this says that you have to wash these by hand, so I will not be throwing it in the washing machine. I'll come back and give you an update. That's all I can say. I'll give you an update. I'm going to wear it to work tomorrow, and I am going to secure my sides down tomorrow, but I'm definitely not securing this part down. Okay? All right, sis. So this is Weezy, the Sexy Grandma 2K. You guys remember what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. You guys have a very blessed week, and I'll see you on the next video. I'm doing like my mama, using my hands. I always tell her if I cut her hands off, she wouldn't be able to talk. Now I see myself doing it. All right, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.